Alrighty, so on the menu today, we're gonna have some oxtails. Look at them babies right there. Ooh, look at them babies, look at them babies. So my husband loves him some oxtails, so we're going to cook these up for him. We had to get these at the meat market and then these at our local grocery store. I'm gonna try my first time doing an eggplant. And then we got some squash, some zucchini, some green tomatoes, yes. And then I'm gonna make me a small little salad. I got some cherry tomatoes, some cucumber, and a head of lettuce over there. And then Nisha doesn't eat oxtails, so we got her some chicken. Alrighty, y'all. We gonna come back and Alrighty, y'all, let's wash these oxtails off so we can get them in the pot. Alright, y'all, on the oxtails, I just rinse them off really good with some cold water. Yes, buddy. Okay. And I have this other strainer over here so I can pick that up and dump it in the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these off, and I'm going to let them cook for about an hour, and then we'll come and check on them. Alrighty, so we are going to make us some oxtails. I got my pot with my water, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of seasoning. I'm going to put some Mrs. Dash up in there. You know, make it little. Wait, okay. The Mrs. Dash don't want to come out, y'all. We're going to put some Mrs. Dash up in there. Alrighty. We're going to put some, let me see. Oh. We're going to put some soul seasoning up in there. Alright, I'm not going to put a lot because of the salt. Alright, and then we're going to put some black pepper up in there. And that's just to give the water a little bit of seasoning. And when it cooks down some, we'll see if it needs anything else. Okay. Alrighty, so there go my water in my pot for them oxtails. Ooh, look at that seasoning. Look at that there. Alrighty. So, I'm going to make some eggplant. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've already washed them off. I am going to, so I'm going to line my rack for the air fryer up with foil. Easy cleaning, easy cleaning. Alright. And then I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on there. Okay. We'll let that sit there for a minute. Alrighty. And I'll rub it in a second. Alright. So I'm going to go in. Ooh. Cut them in slices. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. I've never tasted eggplant, so I'm hoping that it tastes good. Alrighty. Y'all, I'm going to be frying some of them probably tomorrow. Them green tomatoes. Or I might put me some in the air fryer. I don't know. What y'all think? Fry them or which I think we should do. right there. So my choice of seasoning, I'm gonna use some Mrs. Dash. Okay. Just so it give it a little flavor. Give it a little flavor there. Yes, yes. It's time for a new one. When a big chunk came out. Alright, we're gonna use some pink salt. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to use some black pepper. And you can season both sides of yours. It's totally up to you. I'm going to only season one side to minimize on the salt. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put these in the air fryer, 375 minutes for 20 minutes, and flip it at 10 minutes. So I'll be back with the end results. Alright, so this is how it looked after it came out the air fryer. It looks pretty good. Yes, it does. So I'ma see. This is my first time tasting it, y'all. It looks good. Alright, now y'all remember me saying I was gonna fry that tomato. I think I'm going to try it in the air fryer. Just to, you know, just to see how it's going to come out. Alright, you guys, these oxtails is looking really good. Look at that. They are they looking so good. The smoke is, hold on. They falling apart, y'all. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Yes. Let me taste this, see if they done. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It is so tender, y'all. Ooh, look at that. All right. So, again, we're gonna put a little olive oil on my thing. We're gonna rub that in. And I'm going to do air fry one of my squash and one of my zucchinis. All right. So I'm gonna put it kind of thick. Uh-oh, sorry about the shaking. Alrighty. Because I don't know how, I know it ain't gonna take long to cook, but I'm just trying something, y'all. We'll let you guys know how it came out. That way it don't be all soggy. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean, yes. All right, so now we're gonna do, like I said, I've already washed these off. Okay, I'm just gonna do them halfway. Yeah, we're gonna do it halfway, y'all. And then we're gonna do and I'm gonna let it cook in there at 375 for 10 minutes. Cause you know veggies already done. You just gotta warm them up. All right, let's get some order going on over here. All right, there we go. All right, and we're gonna do, let me move this out the way. I'm gonna season this with some pink salt. Ooh, I'm trying to experiment. I was like, I should put some lemon juice on there. Some black pepper. And then some Mrs. Dash. And I say, I'm not gonna flip these and season them on the other side. I'm just gonna leave them like that. So I will let you guys know the end results. All right, so we got the zucchini and the squash out the oven, and the tomatoes, and the eggplant. Don't that look good, y'all? Don't that look good? Tell me that don't look good. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, bow, bow. All right, let's plate this up. All righty, y'all. Meat is tender. Ooh, look at that. We got some zucchini, some eggplant, squash, and a tomato. I'm ready to dig in, y'all. Okay, look at that. Tell me that don't look good. Tell me that don't look good. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. All right, eating time. Yeah, yeah.